Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add fingerprint on your Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, go to the settings. Scroll down and tap on Fingerprint, Face and Password. Then select Add Fingerprint. Before adding the fingerprint, you need to set lock screen password. Tap Continue. By default you will be prompted to enter a 6-digit password. If you want to use other password types, tap on Use a different password type. There are 4 types of passwords. You can choose pattern, or 4-digit password, or 4 to 16-digit password, or password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. I am selecting pattern. Now draw an unlock pattern. Draw the pattern again to verify. Read the tips, and then tap OK. Now place your finger gently on the fingerprint sensor, and follow the on-screen instructions. Press and make your finger cover the fingerprint identification area as much as possible. Then lift after you feel a vibration. Continue to adjust the position of your finger to get fingerprint edge information. You can add another fingerprint from here. Then tap the Done button. If you want you can add your face data, or you can skip for now. From here you can select where you can use your fingerprint. If you want to change fingerprint icon animation, tap here. And choose any of these. You can also choose whether your fingerprint icon will show or not. Now lock your phone, and check the fingerprint is working or not. You can see, it's working perfectly. If you want to delete fingerprint, again go to the fingerprint option. Draw a current pattern. And simply tap the delete icon beside the fingerprint name. Tap delete again to confirm. And the fingerprint has been deleted. So in this way, you can add fingerprint on your Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.